Hey Cholo. Hey Cholo.
That's annoying, dude.
Alright guys. We're back with another video.
Yeah, we're the same shit, you know that.
It's the power of technology, but we can make 2 videos in one day.
Yep.
We just finished doing the exhaust in the back, so figured why not just finish this car off right now with the headlights. We'll restore these headlights right now. Seen a video online. Figured, let me try it, see how it comes out. If I fuck up, don't do it. We'll just buy new headlights. Doing this for you guys.
Yep.
So we're gonna show you guys, see if it works or not. These are already really oxidized. My fucking lights are not. Oh my god, that motorcycle keeps passing by. They're really oxidized, like I said. Hopefully I can restore them. They're not letting my lights shine as bright as they should. We have some sandpaper here, 400 grit, 600 grit, and 1500 grit. Video said to get 2000 grit, but I couldn't find any, so figured I'd just try it with that. And the guy said, go fuck yourselves. Oh my god, that motorcycle, bro. Should I go punch him, bro? Should I go punch him?
Yeah, shit, I'm not about to talk shit to that fool.
I thought we were loud and obnoxious.
Alright, so from what I see from the video, we're gonna have to keep our watering down while we're sanding down the lights.
Yeah, we're gonna do some wet sanding.
Yeah, wet sanding.
So we're gonna start off with the 400 grit. When we're doing this, hold the camera for me, brother. Brother, hold it. Just what is this, like $4? Yeah, $4.
I guess he's testing his bike.
Oh, I'm gonna go punch that already.
He might have.
This is your hand.
Oh, that's mine?
Start off with the 400 grit.
Yep.
This guy said do some route, not too hard, just lay it on there. And you're just gonna, don't put pressure, just apply your hand on it and just rub. When it wet sand. So he said wet the sandpaper. Wet the headlight. Get it nice and wet, then. And once it's already wet, start rotating.
Keep on waiting.
Oh, you see it's already getting yellow. Sorry, getting rid of all that shit.
It looks like milky, like I said. It looks a little milky. Look at that. Ooh. That's nice.
I like it. I don't know, but I fucking like it. Start off with the big one first, then I'll do the small one. Alright.
So we're gonna be going out with both the headlights?
My time lapse right now, let my brother do the other one because we don't want to be here that long. Just not enough daylight.
Yeah. Catch
It's
you guys.
about to get dark right now, so right now we're gonna do the 400 grit. We'll get back to you with the 600.
Yeah.
Alright. You guys can see all that yellow shit that's coming out of it. Look at that. Oh. This motherfucker was dirty. I'm trying to find a before and after picture. Forgot to take a picture before, but I'm pretty sure you guys seen in the video how it looks right now. And hopefully I'm happy with the results. Are you getting tired, dog? Hey, you were making fun of me saying I was getting tired. What's up?
Want it down?
We're going. Keep going, bro. A lot of yellow stuff coming down here. There you go. Hey, no pressure, alright? Just move your hand. There you go. There you go. You don't want to mess up my headlight. I don't want to have to buy new ones still. I know I said I'm going to buy some if I mess them up, but I don't want to have to buy some. They are expensive.
So remember those strips? Yeah, you're gonna take them one.
And
We'll wipe it down.
I wiped this one down and let it dry. It looks a little scratched. Yeah, hopefully it goes out okay. I don't know, I'm about to sue that YouTuber, dude. That's
He said?
Yeah, we're gonna hit it right now with the 600 grit. Feels smooth. Are you ready? Alright, let's get it with the 600 grit now. Another time lapse. Alright guys, after all the sanding, we finally got a clear coat it. Right now my brother's taping it, doing a pretty good job, not bringing some plastic at all, not taping it. That was little tip, take off the tape you put on before because it's going to be wet, and just dry it all up and then put it again. It'll be easier because it's not holding on that right because of the wet tape in the bottom. So I mean, we were able to do that one, but it was a little bit of a hassle. Alright. I'll try bro before I smack you. This is the clear coat we're gonna put. This guy said to use the non-yellowing fast dry one, which is this one, and UV resistant ultra cover. I think it's like $4 too. Ooh, double cover. Yeah. About to hit this clear coat right now. Light sprays, like he said. Light spray is about, we're gonna do like 10 coats, no? Each side. Be alright, 10 coats. Let each coat sit for like 5 minutes and hit it with the next. Kind of windy right now. Hopefully it doesn't get stronger, but right now we're kind of holding up right now. So wait for this guy to tape it and we're gonna start spraying. Okay. Now that this is taped up, we're gonna finish it by rubbing. Well, we're gonna start it by rubbing it with alcohol, 50%. We're using a fiber rag right here. Just rub, take all the nasty shit out. It's pretty good already. Just by rubbing it. This is what we're gonna do right now. The other side, it smells pretty good. Like I said, use a fiber rag, not a sock. I only have a sock. It's a whatever, same difference. Yeah, I like it. I like it. The other side.
As you can see, shaking that bottle up, the can up. You can spray the headlights.
I'm shaking it for 5 minutes already. Look at it, get tired, but I do this all night.
Ready? No trips, man.
Light sprays, light sprays.
So you can see it's clearing it up. Clearing a nice looking coat.
Directional, always. One coat. Next one.
You did better on that one, but I think you should do this one too.
Oh, you want the second one?
Yeah. Oh, you good. Cool. Barely one coat right there.
Barely one coat. It looks good already, right?
Looks nice.
It's a little hazy still, but after the 10 layers of coat we're gonna put on, should be good.
It's way better than before.
It's better already, huh? Hopefully this wind stops. Alright guys, this is the end result. Looks pretty darn good. Look at that. You see the bolt and everything already. This one's good already too. Just shining. Came out fucking nice. I'm not gonna wax it. The guy said to wax it. I ain't gonna do all that. I don't like that shit. My brother's gonna paint my windshield wipers. I'm not gonna record that. So he was tired of looking at him. All nasty. He's right. You gonna get the OED40? What, the seasoning or what? Come on, dog. Hey, who you talking to right now, dog? Don't be careful because it has a little fucking thread in here. Just shake it, like shake it. Shake it up while you're doing it. You need a man? Just let me know.
I need a man, dog.
You need a man? All right. Let me call one. Nah, let's do it. All right. Damn, can't. Look at that, dude. I don't know about you guys, but this came out nice as fuck. It's really nice.
Really nice.
Hear that. Dude.
Very nice.
You guys should do it. What? Oh, yeah. You guys gotta do this.
Highly recommended.
Yes. Oh, look what. I don't know if I showed you guys, but look what came out. All that shit. We're sanding it down. Brother took off the windshield wipers already. Have you guys ever tried to do this? This little thread here got a little messed up because we're putting it out wrong. Lift the windshield wiper up and then pull it up. That's it. Come out easy. Right?
Yeah.
Hey, what are you doing right there?
Oh,
Is that your blur spot? Nah, that's it. Cool. Come on, nice. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys have any questions, like I said in the other video, just hit me up, hit my brother up. We'll be happy to answer your questions. You guys know where to catch us at. Let's go see before we end this video how the windshield wipers are looking. Damn! Wow, they look murdered out, bro.
that's a D, bro.
Shit. See y'all. Alright, see you guys on the next one. I'm pretty sure we're painting the rims already, right?
Yeah.
They're not gonna be flat black, they're gonna be polished. Figured it'll look better. Hey, I'm on, fucker! Come on. Hey, dog. Alright, I'm gonna have to get to this fade. We're fighting now, dog. Put this shit down. Come on.